Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of gaming laptops with the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 2024. This beast is a continuation of last year's newly launched Helios Neo lineup, which offers top-end Intel and NVIDIA components at a comparatively budget-friendly price. So let's get started. First off, let's talk specs. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 2024 comes with an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, 16GB of DDR5 5600 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe SSD, all for a price of Rs 1,79,999. Now, while that may seem pricey, because let's be honest, it is, if you consider the performance this laptop can pull off, we definitely think that you're getting bang for your buck here. Let's start things off with the performance. Now, like we just mentioned, the Helios Neo 16 comes with a 14th generation Intel Core i9-14900HX, which can dish out desktop level performance. This CPU is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU that has a TGP of 140 watts. This is the highest allowed configuration by NVIDIA for the RTX 4070. We compared the Neo 16 to the HP Omen 16, which is 30,000 rupees cheaper at Rs 1,49,999. The Omen features a 14th Gen Intel Core i7, which is paired with an RTX 4060. Both components here are one tier lower than what is on the Neo 16. With that out of the way, let's get into the results, which you should be seeing on your screen right now. In our test, the Intel Core i9-14900HX on the Neo 16 ended up outperforming the Core i7, which is as it logically should. Moving on to the gaming performance, again, the RTX 4070 in the 2024 Neo 16 performed better than the RTX 4060. All of it seems very logically sound, but it is worth pointing out that in some titles, like Shadow of the Tomb Raider and Cyberpunk 2077, the 4060 and 4070 were very close in terms of scores. That said, the numbers on the Neo 16 are still great. We saw significant lead in FPS numbers for other titles like Red Dead Redemption 2, Civilization 6, and Metro Exodus, to name a few. Just the overall numbers on the Predator Helios Neo 16 are fantastic across the board, with the best scores we've seen on a sub 2 lakh laptop. Thermal performance is crucial for gaming laptops, and the 2024 Helios Neo 16 comes with the 5th generation of Acer's Aero Blade 3D fan tech. It also uses liquid metal instead of thermal paste for cooling. Overall thermal performance is fairly middle of the pack. Certain clusters, like the middle of the laptop, can go over the 40°C mark, while the rest of the laptop surface averages at around temperatures of 30°C. The CPU hit peak temperatures of 88°C during our CPU stress test, and the GPU hit peak temperatures of around 81°C during our intensive gaming sessions, both of which are within expectations. Next up, the display. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 comes with a 16-inch WQXGA, that is 2560 into 1600 pixels, with a golden ratio of 16:10, an IPS panel, and a refresh rate of 240 Hz. The panel comes with an advertised peak brightness of an impressive 500 nits. We tested 511, and we tested sRGB color gamut coverage of 99.5% and DCI-P3 coverage of 96.5%. Considering the I/O ports that Acer has on offer here as well, it is clear that they are also suggesting this as an option for content creators. The Predator Helios Neo lineup borrows a lot from Acer's premium Predator Helios lineup in terms of aesthetics. It was the same as last year as well, and you won't see that much of a difference in terms of overall aesthetics. Coming to the overall build itself, it comprises aluminium, which is used in the lid, and polycarbonate for the rest of the body. The laptop also features a chiclet keyboard with satisfactory travel and feedback, and the precision touchpad is placed slightly off center so as to avoid getting in the way while you're typing. In terms of I/O ports, you have a great selection with the new Helios Neo 16. You've got the DC in port, an HDMI 2.1 port, two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, an Ethernet port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, a micro SD card reader, a 3.5mm audio combo jack, and two USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports. With all that out of the way, finally we're at the verdict. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 2024 offers top-tier gaming performance with its Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. Its premium design and excellent display further enhance its appeal. It outperforms its competitors in the sub 2 lakh category, making it a worthy investment for gaming enthusiasts seeking high performance without breaking the bank. So that was it for our review of the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews from all of us here at Digit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.